Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a tutorial using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette. The Nykaa Pink Friday sale is going on right now and this palette is at a 50% off, which is really rare for a brand like Huda Beauty. So let's get started with the tutorial now. So this is the palette. It contains 18 shades. It's a really nice mix of matte, shimmer and glittery colors. You have loads of warm toned colors. There's a little bit of a purpley kind of touch to the palette as well, which I really like. The color payoff is really good and the colors just go well together. Like, it's really easy to create a look using shades from this palette. So these are the colors I'll be using today. I'm starting with this matte soft brown, which has got quite a bit of orange in it, and I'm using it along my crease and actually going just slightly above my crease. And because it's a light color, I can do that. I don't want to do that with a darker color. I'm now taking the darker color and I'm concentrating this in the outer corner and the crease. I'm not going above the crease with the darker shade here. I'm taking that darker brown along my lower lash line as well, and then next I'm going to take the copper shade and I'm concentrating this on the outer 1/3, and I'm also going to apply this on the inner 1/3, just leaving the center of my lid vacant where I will add a lighter color later. I'm then adding the lighter color, which is like a peachy gold color in the center of the lid, and this is a really nice technique. You can add just a nice light and focus to your eyes by adding a lighter color in the center. I'm going back in with my blending brush to make sure everything looks nicely blended. I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara and then go in with these beautiful forming lashes. These are the jade ones and they just add so much volume to my eyes. I absolutely love how they look. So I've added these to one eye, going to do it to the other eye as well, and then to finish off the look I'm using the lip liner in the shade Trendsetter, and it's a really nice, very flattering nude for Indian complexions. It's not too pale, it's not too dark. If you have medium or wheatish skin, you can definitely go for this color. And then I'm adding the liquid lipstick also in the shade Trendsetter on top of the lip liner. And that is the final look using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette. This is at a 50% off right now. I'm going to add the link in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.